Hello, this is Deanne from SmallButKindaMighty, and this is the third video I have for you about a crafting project connected to my spring-themed Difference and Diversity playset. In my first video, I showed you how to make your own story booklet, or zine. The last video was a butterfly yarn craft, and in this one we will be making a super easy flower out of yarn. I will put links in the description box to all the blog posts and videos so far, or please just go to my website smallbutkindaMighty.com if you're interested in handmade toys, play-based learning and/or crochet. There is a lavender plant in the Difference and Diversity playset, and there will be a pattern to make one on my site, but not everyone can crochet. So to encourage children to make their own toys and do some crafting in the process, I've put together this video to show you how to make flowers out of yarn. Please do stick around, as at the end of this video I'm going to share the next craft project to go with this playset, and it's a really cool one. But let's get making flowers. There are only 4 steps to follow, and the first is get your materials together. So seriously, anyone can make these flowers. Step 1, get your materials together. You will need a fork. I've got a big serving one here, but a regular one is fine. Some yarn, 1 pipe cleaner per flower, scissors, and obviously an adult should be using these if you're making flowers with small children. And optionally, you can use a button or bead for the middle part of the flower. I'm using these pearl embellishments that I had left over from another project, and glue to secure the middle part of the flower. Step 2, holding the pipe cleaner at the side of the fork, making sure a few inches are higher than the fork. Start wrapping the yarn around the tines or prongs. Once you're happy with the amount of yarn on your fork, knot the beginning and ending yarn tails and place the knot on the left side of the fork. Oops, I forgot to do that. But you want the knot to sit where the pipe cleaners are going to make the stem. So once you've got the knot on the left side of the fork, bend and lightly twist the top of the pipe cleaner around the stem. Pull the yarn off the fork and then tightly twist the pipe cleaner stem together. For step 4, cut the yarn along the outer edge, pull apart the yarn strands, and if you're using an embellishment for the middle of the flower, then glue it to the pipe cleaner at this point. Then pull up the yarn strands and arrange them to look like a flower. At this stage you can trim any especially straggly ends, but don't go overboard with this. It should look sort of nice and floppy and cheerful, like a chrysanthemum or a dandelion or a daisy. So there you have it. I made a few of these and put them in a mason jar with some stones and glass pebbles, and I think they look really bright and cheery. If you'd like to see more free ideas for play-based learning, then don't forget to like this video, comment and share it with your friends. And now, as promised, here's a sneak peek of my next spring-themed project. I'm really excited about this accessible nature journal. Accessible in terms of cost, it's really cheap to make. Geography, so you don't have to live in the countryside to do one. And physically, you don't need to draw or write to be able to fill one. So yes, I can't wait to share this with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see the Accessible Nature Journal. And I hope you found this helpful. I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.